everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a feedback form in Google Forms, step by step, and also how you can fix common issues like response errors or broken links. Let's get started. So first, you can just head over to forms.google.com and make sure you already sign in into the Google account. And you'll land on the dashboard with templates and also a blank form options. Now you can just click on the blank or choose feedback template if there's any. And once the blank form is open, you can just customize your feedback questions. Here you can give your form a title. For example, here I'm going to just go with customer feedback form. And for the first question, I'm going to select this. For example, you can just write name, or this one, for example, ID, customer ID. I'm going to go with that. And next one, you can start your feedback question. For example, how satisfied were you? Okay, you can change it into multiple choice or linear scale, 1 to 5, for example. You can also add label if you want to, and you can add another questions in here. So 1 means bad or not satisfied, and 5 is very satisfied. And here you can also ask what can be improved. Here you can go with paragraph in here, so you can choose different question types using the drop down menu if you want to. And you can add another questions. Next, you can also adjust the form settings. You can click on settings at the top. If you're sharing with non-Google users, you can turn off the restrict to users in the organizations. This one, so you can also choose to not collect email addresses so that the non-Google users can still fill in the form. And after that, you can just click on preview to test your form. And after that, you can submit a sample response and make sure everything works as expected. Now you can just publish this form. Click on publish and share the link. And that's how you can create and fix a feedback form using Google Forms. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the comment. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.